Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda StepWagon. It has 36,668 miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with the 2 doors, 1 rear sliding door, and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing right there, 59,012, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 36,668. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. Or not the dash, the frame of the vehicle. Sorry, I was looking at the dash. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.